We've had thousands of interactions with home warranty companies over the 20 years we've been in business, and we've worked with every home warranty company on the market. These are the facts of, is it worth it to have a home warranty for your HVAC system? I'll go through all of the reasons why you should or you shouldn't have a home warranty, and then at the end of the video, I'll tell you what to do if you do choose to have a home warranty for your HVAC system. Number one, there's no timeline on repairs for a home warranty company. There's nothing in the contract that gives them a sense of urgency or forces them to be quick about fixing your system. So imagine this, it's 96 degrees, you're hot in your house, you're sweating, you call the home warranty company. It takes 2 to 3 weeks normally, from what we've seen over our thousands of interactions with them, 2 to 3 weeks to repair your system. That's almost a month. A month is a long time to sit in your house hot. So the biggest con that we've seen with having a home warranty for the HVAC is there's no true timeline on when they should repair that system. Number two, there is a cap on repairs financially. If you look at the contract, cap is usually $1,700 to $2,000 is the most they'll pay for that repair. Now, with HVAC repairs, some can be expensive. Some repairs can get up to $3,000, and of course a full replacement can be anywhere from $10,000 to $20,000, and home warranty companies do not pay for full replacements. In the contract, they're there to do the repairs, and they're there to do no more than the cap that's in their contract. Anything over the max payout of $1,700 to $2,000, you will cover. Now, that may be good, because the pro side of that, the good side of that, is you're not coming out of pocket for the entire repair. So if your repair is $3,000 and they send you $2,000, you still came out better than you would have. Number three, the contract in the home warranty companies doesn't state that you can hire your own contractor. And there's nothing in there stopping them from getting multiple opinions. Multiple opinions is good. The home warranty company is there to make money, and they are there to protect their pocket. Unfortunately, what we've seen is most home warranty companies getting up to 6, sometimes 10 opinions. They'll call company after company until they find an answer that they like, because they're trying to get the cheapest repair. They're not in the business of doing the best repair for your HVAC system. They're in the business of doing the cheapest repair. So when they're getting 6 to 8 estimates, that's what spreads the time out from an average repair time 2 to 3 weeks, because they're calling company after company after company, and they're not going with the 3 options that you normally like. So that is one of the biggest cons. Number 4, long wait times on the phone. This is the biggest reason why we don't work with home warranty companies. Is every time you call the home warranty company, the average wait time on the phone is 30 minutes to get to someone. Then you have the conversation. So typically you're on the phone for 30 to 45 minutes every time you call them, and 9 times out of 10 you will get a different person on the phone, and you'll have to explain to them over and over again. Remember, this is an insurance company. These are the reasons why AC Man Heating and Air Conditioning doesn't do any home warranty work, and it's the reason why you won't find many licensed HVAC contractors working with home warranty companies. Now, I will say this: if you decide to purchase a home warranty, or you were given a home warranty because you purchased a home, then I would advise you to have that HVAC system serviced twice per year, or at least once per year, because it is in the contract that if the system is not serviced or maintained by a licensed HVAC contractor, then it will void the coverage altogether. You need to know that before you have that repair and you call them and find out you've been paying money every month to the warranty company, and they decline you because you can't show proof that the system has been serviced. In addition to that, if there's anything wrong with the system by code, how it was installed, they will also terminate that agreement with you. That's another reason to have the HVAC serviced before you call them, so that you can catch anything and have it repaired before you need the home warranty company. So my opinion on home warranties is take that money that you're putting away monthly, put it in a savings account, and if you need an HVAC repair, go ahead and pay it. That will shorten the timeline. You can get it fixed in less than 2 to 3 weeks. You don't have to worry about the phones. You don't have to worry about having 9 or 10 different people in your house giving you an estimate. But if you do decide to get a home warranty or you already have one, then just make sure you have that system serviced. I hope this video helped you out a little. If you have any questions, go ahead and reach out to us. This is Michael from AC Man Heating and Air Conditioning. Thank you for watching.